Morning. This morning I'm going to try and remove a fastener from the muffler for a Husqvarna 357. It's rusted in and it's stripped. I've been soaking it in Croil, and I'm going to use an easy out system that I picked up on Amazon for a couple bucks. Not sure what I paid for it. I do find that the bits themselves aren't very good at drilling the steel, so I've grabbed some cobalt that I've had, and that seems to be making some progress. But drilling through the center, not drilling fast. And then I'm pulling out the number 2. And just trying to unscrew it. It's got a good bite. There we go. And there you go. It came out. So the kit works. I have to pull that off. I suggest using a cobalt bit. Thanks for watching.